Bitcoin is protected by cryptography, basically math puzzles that computers take billions of years to solve. The most important, elliptic curve digital signatures used every time you send Bitcoin. With today's technology, it's unbreakable, but quantum computers don't play by normal rules. Here is something most people don't realize. A sufficiently advanced quantum computer could, in theory, break Bitcoin's signature system in minutes. Normal computers use bits, 0 or 1. Quantum computers use qubits, 0 and 1 at the same time. This means they can test millions of possibilities in parallel. For cryptography, that's like giving a hacker a billion hands to try keys at once. Did you know? Shor's algorithm, developed in 1994, showed how quantum could one day break RSA and ECC, the backbone of digital security. RSA stands for Rivest Shamir Edelman and secures data by factoring huge numbers. ECC, elliptic curve cryptography, uses the geometry of curves to generate secure keys. Both are safe against today's machines, but quantum computers could tear through them. So when does Bitcoin break? Experts estimate it may take a quantum computer with a few thousand stable qubits to crack Bitcoin wallets. Today's machines have under 500 usable qubits. That's not enough yet, but progress is exponential. Google, IBM, and Chinese labs are racing toward quantum supremacy. Some predict Bitcoin's security could be at risk in the 2030s. Bitcoin developers know this. They're already exploring quantum-resistant cryptography, new math puzzles quantum computers can't easily solve. But here's the catch. Upgrading Bitcoin is like replacing an airplane engine mid-flight. Everyone has to agree on the change, and adoption could take years. Here's the twist. While quantum threatens Bitcoin, it also creates opportunities. Retail investors can get exposure through companies racing to build quantum hardware and software. A few names, IBM and Alphabet/Google are leaders. IonQ and Rigetti Computing are pure-play quantum startups, and there are ETFs like the Defiance Quantum ETF, QTUM, that package quantum and AI innovators together. These aren't risk-free, but they give you a way to ride the quantum wave instead of fearing it. Please note that this is not financial advice, but for informational purposes only. Quantum computing could be Bitcoin's nightmare, but it's also humanity's dream machine. It could crack medical research, optimize supply chains, and model the universe. But here's a reality check. Today's machines are still experimental and error-prone, with fewer than 500 stable qubits. Many experts believe practical quantum attacks are at least a decade away. The question is, will it arrive fast enough to break Bitcoin before Bitcoin adapts? From unstoppable code to unbreakable machines, the clash of Bitcoin and quantum computing might define the future of money. In our next video, we'll look at another frontier technology changing finance: artificial intelligence in trading. Because if Bitcoin survives quantum and strategy's house of cards, it still has to compete with bots.